We face new challenges each day, and in the long run these challenges contribute to high stress levels. Stress can affect our well-being and reduce our productivity. If we let pressure build up, we can end up harming others, making irrational decisions, and in extreme cases we vent out our stress to others. Therefore, it is vital that we find a way to reduce stress levels. There are various ways we can unwind, and here are 7 things you can do to relax. Do some yoga. Find a quiet room and do some yoga. Yoga helps your body and mind relax. You can look up brief yoga routines on YouTube and practice them. Yoga will help you release all the pressure that has been building up in your body, and it is also beneficial for your body. Listen to your favorite genre of music. Listening to music lets you get loose. As you get to listen to favorite musician, you forget what is troubling you, which in turn reduces your stress levels. A good thing about music is that you can plug in your earphones and separate yourself from the stressful environment. Take a walk. You might opt to walk or jog into the park and enjoy what Mother Nature has to offer. If you live in a noisy neighborhood, find a quiet place to walk. This lets you organize your thoughts and you get to view things from a clearer point of view. Find time in your busy schedule and enjoy the walk. Play games. Computer games or physical games can do. If you love staying indoors, then computer games will help you vent out the stress that has been building up in your body. You can play board games against your friends and it will help you focus on something new other than your problems. Hit the gym. The gym helps you relieve all the mental and muscle tension that builds up during the day. Your job could be demanding that you stay seated for a long period of time, and this is bad for your health. Weightlifting will help you reduce all this tension that has been building up. You also get to socialize at the gym, which is very healthy. Watch movies. Watching movies lets you forget what has been stressing you. Take some time off and watch a movie on Netflix or in a cinema. Movies are enjoyable to watch, and we can dedicate weekends to watching movies. You can also watch documentaries if you are not a fan of movies, and you will learn new things. Travel. Visiting new places is one of the best stress relievers. You can save for a vacation and to get your mind off the things currently stressing you. On vacation you get to interact with new people and learn their diverse cultures. Traveling helps you reduce tension in your life, and you can take your family with you.